You've heard the term DICOM header, but what is it and why do we need it? Let's try and figure it out. To understand this better, first we need to understand how a DICOM file, which in most cases is an image, is made, or what is it made up of, rather. And if we look at any image in DICOM format, we will see that there are two very distinct components. One of them is the pixel data itself, that's a given, and the other one is this DICOM header, mysterious DICOM header that we're talking about here. It contains what's called metadata, or in other words, data about data. Now, why do we need it? Well, the thing is that we're dealing with medical images, and it's really important to have additional information apart from the image itself. For example, we need to know patient context. We need to know which patient does the image belong to? What's the patient's date of birth? What's the patient ID? Things of that nature. We need to know things like what type of modality it is. Is it CT? Is it MR? Is it X-ray? All of that is critically important. Study information. What's the study ID? What's the accession number? When was the study done? All of that is super important, right? And all of that forms what we call context. But the one thing that people oftentimes don't realize is that apart from all this contextual information that is contained in the DICOM header, it also contains a number of what's called attributes or data elements that help us, for example, decode the pixels correctly. Yes, it's very important. Raw pixel data that is generated by your modalities, by your CT scanners, MR scanners, X-rays, whatever, it doesn't matter. They are actually generated in proprietary format. And in order to be able to display them, you have to convert them. In order to convert them, you need to know how to do this. You need magic keys, if you will. And those magic keys, yes, you guessed it, those are contained in the DICOM header. Another simple consideration, where's right and where's left? That's very important, right? Imagine if that image that your radiologist is looking at is flipped, and then they say that the lesion is in the right kidney as opposed to the left kidney. Well, that's a big deal, isn't it? Well, that is why DICOM header has that type of contextual and spatial information that helps us properly identify and properly display the image. Without it, we're basically guessing and hoping that the image would display correctly, and that's not something we'd like to do with medical imaging. Now, where does that bring us? And that brings us to that main concept that a DICOM image is not just a picture. It's a picture married to a bunch of significant data, the metadata effectively, right? It gives us the context, it gives us structure, it gives us instructions on how to display this image properly. It identifies the image, and that makes the perfect marriage that is a DICOM object. Pixels showing you the image, and metadata makes it meaningful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.